let's talk step counting for a second. You know how most of us rely on it to get a quick read on how active we've been? Like, those steps we rack up during a morning walk or just running around all day? Well, it's kind of wild that Whoop, one of the big names in fitness tracking, is only just now adding step counting to their lineup. Yeah, you heard that right. Whoop, known for its sleek, screenless trackers like the Whoop 4, has finally decided to jump on the step counting bandwagon. Now, Whoop's always been more about hardcore, high-precision metrics, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, tracking your body's strain, and sleep data. So, real-time stats overload? Not really their style. But step counting was the one big thing missing from their lineup. So, what changed? Well, according to a recent press release, Whoop has finally decided to include step counting in its tracking features. Users have been demanding this feature for a while, and it's no surprise. I mean, just about every other fitness tracker out there can do it. Whoop had held off, saying step counting wasn't the most accurate health measure, and since they pride themselves on precision, they didn't rush to add it. But now they've come around, pointing to studies that show daily step counts can lower the risk of heart disease, obesity, and even depression. That's pretty solid, but let's be real, user feedback likely played a big part in this decision. And now, Whoop is rolling out an update, literally today or tomorrow, that'll finally give users step data. So, what do you think, Whoop users? Have you been waiting for this forever? Or did you just pick up another tracker for step counts in the meantime? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear your take. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Got any thoughts on Whoop's new step counting feature? Let us know in the comments. We're always excited to hear what you think. Catch you in the next one.